Hey y'all, and welcome back to Texas Decor and More. Yeah, well, in this video, this was filmed. Like I was saying, sorry, I had to stop because my husband was talking to me. He wanted me to do something. This video, the first part of this video was actually filmed Thursday evening. Yeah, it was Thursday evening. That's right. Okay, so that is from Wednesday night. I can't even remember now what I cooked Wednesday night. But those are dishes from Wednesday night. And I'm currently cooking, in the middle of cooking Thursday night's meal. But I wanted to wash the dishes first. And we're going to be having sloppy joes. We were going to do something simple. Normally, my husband does not work on Fridays because he works 410s. But he had to go to work the following Friday. Therefore, I had to cook and make sure that he had something to eat for lunch the next day. So he's looking at the hamburger buns I bought. Funny story about that grocery store trip. So after work, I had gone to the grocery store and I was going to get all the stuff to make sloppy joes. And yeah, I got a couple of things at the store, and then I forgot the hamburger buns. So I had to do a U-turn in the middle of the parking lot and go back to the store to get the hamburger buns. And I was telling him, that I had to go back to the store and get the hamburger buns or whatever. So in this video, you're going to see me making the sloppy joes. Right now, I'm just kind of picking through the refrigerator, seeing what needs to be thrown away, seeing what's old, bad, getting it out of the refrigerator, and then I'm going to be kind of restocking with some water and things that need to go in there. So right here, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing because I can't see myself, and I can't remember. Oh, probably stirring the hamburger meat because I had the sloppy joes on the stove, so that's probably what I was doing, stirring up the meat and adding the sloppy joe mix to that. Just taking out these paper plates that I just bought from the store. We're going to be cutting up an onion. And can I just say, y'all, that I have been so busy with work things going on, just basic home things going on, and then also 4 birthdays in the month of October. Not to mention extra Halloween things that I have prepared. So yeah, 4 birthdays this month. My daughter's My daughter's birthday was October 11th. My son-in-law's birthday was October 6th. And then we had a surprise party for him Friday night. And, well, this is Thursday, but the next day was Friday, and we had a surprise party for him. My aunt's birthday, I think, is October 19th. And my mother-in-law's birthday is October 17th. So lots of birthdays to attend to. Busy, busy, busy. I have been extremely busy. And then also, we're going to do an event for Halloween. We're going to do, I have a photo shoot for our pumpkin carving that we're going to have with all the grandkids and all the things. So I've been busy purchasing pumpkins behind the scenes, getting clothes for everybody to wear for our photo shoot. So when I really sit back and think about everything that has to go on in this month and that has already gone on in this month, I have just been extremely busy. The holidays are always extremely busy time for me with the planning and the parties and just all the things. So right now I'm just tackling the stove. It had been a few days without me cleaning the stove, and like I said, it's because I work a full-time job. My husband works a full-time job. All the things I told you that are going on in my life behind the scenes, planning, party planning, Halloween planning, the shopping, and just so I have kind of not really neglected my house, but with, getting busier, you tend to just kind of put things off because you're tired. You're like, okay, I'm going to do that another day. Oh, I'll do that another day. But you just procrastinate. So I was procrastinating a little bit and needed to get some things done and thought I would film that for you guys. So Thursday night, you saw everything that I did. This is currently, right now, this clip and moving forward is Saturday morning. We had the surprise party last night, and I needed to finish getting my house clean. I had cleaned a little bit of it Thursday night, but I wanted to finish up. So I'm removing everything off the table. I'm going to wipe the table down, and also I'm putting things away. See, stuff's falling down. What all that is that I'm putting in that cabinet, it's Halloween stuff that I've prepared for my grandkids, and I needed to get it out of the living room, so I was placing it in that cabinet right there. And then I'm going to take that off and put that in the washing machine because I'm going to go ahead and wash that. Now, you didn't see me wipe the sink. I mean, not wipe the sink. I'm about to wipe the sink. All that 409 I just put on it. You didn't see me wipe off the top of the kitchen table, but I promise you I did. There's a lot going on behind the scenes in this video. Like, I'm doing things. I'm doing laundry, mop the living room floor, mop the hallway. Now I'm cleaning off the sink. I took the trash out in the garage. Picked up some things in the living room. Got a birthday present together for my aunt. Got some things out of my car. And the table is now got everything on it that I brought out of my car. So my table is no longer clean, but we're getting that together. We're going to get it together. So yeah, right here, just cleaning off that sink. Going to continue cleaning some more things in the kitchen. I hope that y'all enjoy this video, and I'm going to cue the music. Let's get motivated, y'all.